So here we are again with the closing CT618DT two-room lathe. We want to check the rotation of the spindle where this chuck guard that's in place will stop the whole machine, only the spindle. And so I'm gonna turn the spindle on right now. To do that, I turn this lever, which is in stop, neutral, and run. And there's my spindle running at 1000 RPMs. Okay. So now if I lift the chuck guard, this is what happens here. And now the spindle stopped. So if I bring my chuck guard back on, so I can't, it doesn't just start the spindle. I have to go back to this lever, turn it back to stop, neutral, and then turn it again, and there we are. So that's the chuck guard only turns off the spindle, not the whole machine. We're gonna do this same thing with this other guard here. So right now the spindle is running at 10,000 RPMs. I'm gonna this chuck guard that protects the backside of the spindle, so it also has the same, pretty much the same switch. So I turn it and it stops. Again, I'm stopping the machine. So I have to again put that lever back to stop, center, and run. So both of these guards, they only disable the spindle, and we have to put the guard back and also turn this one back on. So again, I'm going to turn it on, turn this stops, go to neutral, and start again. You don't have to go to stop, just put it in neutral, and then so it's a 3-position selector handle. The stop, the neutral, and the start. You just have to go back to the neutral and then start it again. Okay. As far as the chuck guard, I believe the best way to do this is to have this guard. It's also protecting the operator from coolant and chips on the back side, and I think that will be helpful to have. So it doesn't make a mess. The chip and the coolant don't go into the floor, but actually come back to the tray and then drain back to the coolant place. So I would recommend to leave this one and without a safety switch, and then just the operator wants to take it out, that's fine. He can do that. He can take it all the way back and just leave it there if he's is comfortable with that, and then when he wants it, he can just bring it back. It would be his option whether he's cutting and there are a lot of chips coming out. He can, but this should be his option. It shouldn't be that he has to have it all the time in there. So I recommend that we do not put a switch. Leave this chuck guard on, this chip coolant guard on, and just use it like that. I think that's the best option. But again, it's you're the customer. It's your choice. Thank you.